On Windows 11, connecting a second monitor to your laptop allows you to expand the desktop canvas to work with multiple applications at the same time, improving productivity. However, if you don't have an external display, Windows 11 includes the cast feature to connect wireless and another computer as a second monitor. On the computer that will work as an external display, use this step. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to cast Windows 11 to another computer's monitor. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on apps. Click the optional feature tab. Click the view feature button. Search the wireless display feature. Click the feature. Click the next button. Click the install button. Once you complete the step, leave the wireless display app open and use the cast feature on the device to project the desktop. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.